Welcome to the best picks. The best Kerasal Nail Renewal is probably one of the most effective treatments available for fungal nail infections, offering a comprehensive approach to combat discoloration, thickening, and other symptoms associated with onychomycosis. In this video, we will deep dive into this product and explore its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for your nail health journey. Number 5. Kerasal Nail Renewal. Do you have discolored or damaged nails? It can be frustrating, but help is here. This product offers rapid results, starting in just 2 days. See a visible difference in the appearance of your nails within 48 hours. It's that fast and effective. This unique formula works in 2 ways. It fights the effects of fungal damage while gently exfoliating for improved nail appearance. Application is simple and mess-free thanks to the precision tip applicator. It makes treating your nails easy and convenient. Developed by a dermatologist and clinically studied for over 30 years, you can trust its effectiveness and safety. It's a reliable solution for your nail problems. It targets common signs of fungal nail damage, including discoloration, brittleness, thickening, roughness, and ridges. It addresses multiple issues at once. What we like? It delivers noticeable improvements in just 2 days. Its dual-action formula tackles fungal damage while exfoliating for a better nail appearance. If you need a quick, easy solution for discolored or damaged nails, this is the one for you. What people say. The Kerasal started thinning out my nails and took away the discoloring after just about 2 weeks of use. First, the infected part came off. The new nail growing in looks to be clear. I have new healthy growth. It lasts a while. Number 4. Kerasal Nail Repair. This is Kerasal Multi-Purpose Nail Repair, a solution for discolored and damaged nails. It's designed to help improve the appearance of your nails. It hydrates and exfoliates brittle nails. It helps reduce discoloration and thickness, leaving your nails healthier and more attractive. The formula combines urea, propylene glycol, and lactic acid. These ingredients work together to penetrate the nail plates and repair damage from the inside out. For best results, apply a thin layer twice a day for the first week, then once a day after that. It's simple and convenient to use. It effectively addresses various causes of nail damage, including psoriasis, damage from gel manicures, aging, and fungal infections. It's a multi-purpose solution for many common nail problems. It helps repair damaged nails, restoring their health and natural beauty. Get the healthy-looking nails you deserve. What we like? This product is a versatile solution for various nail issues. It effectively hydrates and exfoliates, addressing discoloration, thickness, and brittleness. If you're dealing with multiple nail problems, such as nail psoriasis or damage from manicures, this is an excellent choice. What people say. With practice, I've noticed a little goes a long way. 1 dunk in the bottle, then dab the brush on all 5 nails of one hand to deposit a little of the product on each. Finish by going back and using the brush to spread the deposited liquid around, over and under each nail. I've been using this for about 6 weeks and then crack is finally healing, slowly but surely. I've been keeping the nail filed short and applying Kerasal every night, including under the top so it reaches the nail bed. After just 1 use, my nail already looked and felt 100% better than it did with any of the methods I was using on my own. After 3 days of using 1 pad per day at night, I felt my nail looked the best it possibly could, and now I'm simply letting Mother Nature take over to let it grow out. Number 3. Kerasal Nighttime Patches. Suffering from fungal nail damage? These patches offer overnight repair, restoring your nail's healthy appearance while you sleep. It's the first and only treatment that works while you sleep, from the number 1 doctor-recommended brand. It's designed to improve the look of damaged nails. The patches deeply penetrate, moisturize, and exfoliate. They reduce discoloration, normalize thickness, and smooth the nail surface. Unlike prescription treatments, these patches are specifically designed to improve the appearance of your nails. They're easy to apply and stay in place all night. Simply apply before bedtime for 6 to 8 hours of continuous care. It's recommended for 3 to 6 months for best results, but you can use them during the day if needed. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in the health and appearance of your nails. Check the packaging for complete instructions. What we like. It's the only treatment that works while you sleep. These patches deeply moisturize and exfoliate, improving the appearance of fungus-damaged nails. If you prefer a convenient, overnight treatment, this is perfect for you. What people say. It has only been a month, but I see amazing improvement. I saw healthy changes after the first week. The patches are like band-aids and the medicine is on the patch where your toenail is, so all night long the product is soaking into the toenail. It's easy to take off in the AM and no sticky residue on your skin or nail. This is the only over-the-counter product that has helped reduce the nail fungus. Number 2. Kerasal Renewal Nail Repair. This innovative solution is designed to help improve the look of your nails. It's formulated to reduce discoloration and thickness, leaving them healthier and more attractive. It gently hydrates and exfoliates brittle nails. This helps to reveal smoother, healthier-looking nails underneath. The formula combines urea, propylene glycol, and lactic acid to penetrate the nail plate. Added tea tree oil provides a soothing effect. It works to loosen the damaged layer of the nail, revealing a smoother surface. You'll see a visible difference in the appearance of your nails. Kerasal is the most doctor-recommended cosmetic brand for improving the appearance of nails. You can trust it to deliver results. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in the health and appearance of your nails. It's time to rediscover beautiful, healthy-looking nails. What we like. It combines the benefits of urea, propylene glycol, lactic acid, and soothing tea tree oil. It hydrates and exfoliates to reveal smoother nails. If you want a soothing and effective treatment for onychomycosis, this is the one to consider. What people say. Most of my fingernails are almost back to normal. Of the toes affected, I see a lot of progress in 5 of them, but all appear to be making some progress. My natural nails gradually got so much better. Number 1. Kerasal Nail Renewal Treatment. This is Kerasal Nail Renewal Treatment, a breakthrough solution for damaged nails. It's designed to improve the look of your nails quickly and effectively. You'll see noticeable improvements in just 2 days with regular use. It targets discoloration and irregularities for a smoother, healthier look. This unique formula hydrates and exfoliates simultaneously. This dual action helps to reduce discoloration and smooth out the nail surface. It's formulated for deep penetration, ensuring the active ingredients reach the source of the problem for maximum impact. This ensures that it works effectively where it's needed most. This treatment is backed by clinical studies, proving its ability to significantly improve the appearance of damaged nails. You can trust it to deliver real results. It's easy to apply to both fingernails and toenails, making it a convenient addition to your daily routine. Simply apply topically for best results. What we like. This value pack offers a fast-acting, dual-action formula. It deeply penetrates the nail plate for optimal effectiveness. If you want a clinically proven, effective treatment for fungal nail infections, this is a great option. What people say. Great product that really works. Since it takes time to cure, more is needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.